Did you know there are two ways to call someone while your iPhone is locked? The first way is the easiest, using Siri. When your iPhone is locked, just say, "Hey Siri, call Mom," or "Call John," and Siri will instantly start the call. But if this doesn't work, here's what you need to check. Go to Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down to allow access when locked, and make sure Siri is turned on. If Siri is disabled there, it won't work from the lock screen. Now let me show you the smarter method. This one is much faster. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right. Tap Add. Action. Search for Call and select it. Now choose the contact you want. Tap the small arrow at the top, rename it if you want, then tap Done. Now, go to your lock screen. Tap and hold it. Tap Customize, then add widgets. Choose Shortcuts, and select the shortcut you just created. Done. Now, even when your iPhone is locked, just tap that shortcut. Face ID or Touch ID will verify you, and the call starts instantly, super fast, perfect for emergencies or quick access. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.